spot. Time to set tip ups. Walked pretty close to a mile. A lot of foot plus of fresh snow. Good workout. She ain't spinning. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's nicer than your last one, bud.
So? No. This guy's
No.
a dink. He's a dink.
Master Angler?
Master
At least.
Angler.
That's what we're after right there. Nothing but size.
State records.
It's huge.
David's getting off his fish. We're hooked up over here. Might be worth the, oh no. No. Not yet worth the walk. Get this little buddy back if you can give him my hook back. Thanks, guy. Hooked up with another probably 40-inch walleye.
Minus about 38 inches in different species. Nice.
That's a keeper, eh, bud?
That's the biggest one I've seen.
Do we want to keep fish? No fish keeping today?
Let's
Look at that beautiful, beautiful fish. David's hooked up. This is incredible. There's nothing, is there? Okay, stay corrected. Holy shit. Yeah, buddy! Just spilled half my soda on the ground. Then had a really good hit. Oh, there's another one. Yep, one for the homies.
You're going on bigger fish.
Well, my rod's... No, I'm gonna risk it. I mean, yeah, they're a little bit bigger. My rod, this rod's more sensitive than that one, though. So. Yeah, and it's longer. Oh yes. Oh yes. That is what we're talking about. Flag up, gotta go. No. Sucker might have popped it. Well, we're about 3 for 9 on tip-ups right now.
7.
3 for 7. Catching some okay bluegills. We're not keeping them though, so the more the merrier. Pretty good day out here on Big Shag. Second day of the blizzard of 2017. Weatherman said it wasn't going to snow today. Interesting. I don't care. Another flag out. Gotta go. Oh, he came in and just crushed it. Tighten my drag a little bit.
He's fighting.
Oh.
Not as big as the last one, but definitely more of a fight.
Definitely aggressive. I don't think there's anything on it. Oh yeah, there is. Oh yeah, there is. Got him. Little one. Real little one. Gonna let this little guy go back. Another flag, gotta go! My hands are numb. Give it to her! Missed him. Hooked up, fish has got a little attitude. Oh, that's a decent one there, bud. Fish on. Stuck in the transducer. Oh, yes. Bam. Alright. Oh yeah, he's on there.
Boy.
That's a nicer one.
That's a real nice one.
You guys go check which other one? Oh yeah, this one, got it. Oh, the shallow one again. No, there was one on the first time I checked it, and then the second time was that little one. Nothing. So we're out here. We got some tip-ups out, and if you're pike fishing with tip-ups or fishing for anything with tip-ups, two things you need are pliers and jaw spreaders. Get that hook stuck way deep in a pike's mouth, you're definitely going to want these to get it out. Keep your fingers attached to your body. Down to our last sucker minnow. Got some frozen smelt. That's our backup. But we got one more at least, if I can grab the slimy bugger. Pull the transducer. Drags peeler.
There's a bass.
Oh, it feels gilly. Could be a bass. Oh, it's a gill. A very, very, very nice gill. Hooked up. It might be a nicer fish. Pull the transducer for this one. Oh, she's down there ways. Oh yeah. A little nicer. Thick. Thick bluegill. What you doing over there, David? And David caught a big one. Oh, he's on there. Little one, I think. Oh, no, maybe not. Yeah, little one. Well, we're out of the smelt now. Ran out of suckers. Wasn't supposed to snow today, they said. David's hooked into another pig. Oh, double. Well, this might be a nice fish, actually. Oh, probably not. Pull the transducer just in case. Oh, yeah. Oh, what do you think? Yours is pretty nice, though. Oh. Yes. Oh, he came in and just crushed it. Tighten my drag a little bit. Oh. Not as big as the last one, but definitely aggressive. Even smoked it. We've probably caught 30 bluegills so far, 4 pike, missed a couple, still snowing like crazy. Once again, weatherman was 100% accurate. But up North Lodge is starting to call her name. Gonna fish for a little bit longer, probably pack her in and go get some ribs. Headed back, let the fun begin. There's a very good chance that we're possibly stuck right here. Should be interesting. We are indeed stuck in the parking lot of the boat launch. Hopefully somebody will come by that can tow us out. Got all excited for that tank. I think that one will get cut out.